How to fix the iPhone alarm not making any sound? Check the volume. Open the iPhone settings. Go to Sounds and Haptics settings. Under Ringer and Alerts, move the slider to increase the alarm volume. Next to Change with Buttons, toggle the switch to turn off the option. Check if a ringtone is set. Go to the Clock app. At the bottom, select the Alarm tab. Then tap on Edit at the top left corner and select your alarm. Tap on the Sound option and select the alarm tone. If you already have a sound chosen, you don't need to do anything. When done, go back and tap on Save. Clean the speakers. Another reason you can't hear the alarm or other sounds is dirty speakers. Over time they get clogged with dirt particles, and the sound gets muffled. Take a precision or a non-conductive small tool to take the dirt out. If you're afraid to damage the speakers, you can take your iPhone to an authorized service and have them cleaned professionally. Set the correct time on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings. Tap on General, then select Date and Time. Next to Set Automatically, toggle the switch to enable the feature. Check the Sleep Schedule feature. Open the Health app. Go to the Browse tab. Tap on Sleep, then scroll down a bit, and under your schedule, tap on Full Schedule and Options. To edit the scheduled time, tap on Edit, and set a time that doesn't overlap with the alarm. To turn off the feature, move the slider to Disable next to Sleep Schedule. Re-add the alarm. Go to the Clock app. Then go to the Alarm tab. At the top left, tap on Edit. Next to the alarm you want to delete, tap on the red minus button and then on Delete. When all alarms are deleted, tap on the plus button at the top right corner. Set the right time. Choose a ringtone. If you need, set the alarm to repeat when you need it to and enable the snooze option. When done, tap on Save. Restart the iPhone. If the above methods didn't help, the issue could be your iPhone's software. Try to reboot your device as it will remove all minor bugs and glitches and hopefully fix the problem with the alarm sound. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset and select Reset All Settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. Update your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General Settings. At the top, tap on Software Update. Wait while your device searches for updates. If found any, tap on Download and Install. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.